guys, I'm about to meet two beach bummers vacationing here in Jamaica. Hi. And this is
Hi, I'm Marie.
Marie.
Yes,
And where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Germany. And
Yeah, Rita also from Germany.
Germany. And how long are you in Jamaica? Both.
We stay only 8 days.
8 days? Only 8 days. I like what you say, only 8 days. How is it so far?
Yeah, it was really nice. We made a lot of things. Last 2 days, we've been on tour.
Where's some other places you went?
We've been on Black Riverside or Dundas River Falls.
Dundas River Falls.
We've been, what is
We're going to Amnesia tonight.
Yes.
That's the club. Oh, cool. All right. Well, I usually ask typical of one of my readers and visitors and interviewees one question: why Jamaica?
Why not Jamaica?
Why Jamaica?
Oh, I think it was a dream from us. We know each other over 20 years, and yeah, we decided to come to Jamaica one time.
When you think you come to Jamaica, you made it happen. Congratulations. Congratulations. All the best. Enjoy the rest of the time.
Thanks.
All right. Good.